Hello, are you ready to travel? I know that I am always ready to travel. I have my Aloha Vibes t-shirt on today from our 31 leadership incentive trip to Hawaii. I think that was in 2019. And so I just thought, let's have some vacation vibes going on in this video. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to share with you all of our travel accessories, or just items that I picked out personally that I think are great for your travel accessories. Okay, so whether you're you have jewelry, you have travel size bottles of things, or maybe you have large bottles. We have a good collection of travel accessory products for you in this new spring summer 2022 catalog. So as kind of like I do in my purses and my backpacks and my wallets videos, we're just going to start off from the smallest and work our way up to the largest. Okay, and then just keep in mind too that when I'm showing you products, about our 50/50 customer special. It's our all day, everyday customer special. For every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item, okay? So when I'm showing products, you can get a couple of these travel accessories, or really whatever you choose, but we'll make your big ticket item, your half price item, something big, okay? All right, so the first one I'm gonna share with you guys, this is called the Fold and Hang Travel Organizer, okay? The Fold and Hang Travel Organizer. Now this is great for so many things, whether it be a busy bag for your kids, to put in your car around one of the headrests, but I think this is also great for traveling, okay? So you've got a handle right here. You do have a little button closure here. So, and this kind of, what I say, kind of tri-folds open. Okay, so you can kind of tri-fold it open. So I am using this actually as kind of like a little jewelry caddy here. Now, if you want to hang this up in the closet when you're traveling, just hook a hanger through here and hang it up. Or you could unbuckle it here and then hang it around the bar, or however you choose. Now, this first zipper right here is a big clear PVC section. In here I just had the charger for my Apple Watch here, but really, I mean, you could put whatever you want in here. And then the second section is kind of divided, so you have a section here and then you have two sections over here. So I have big chunky necklaces over here, and then I just have a set of earrings in each of these. And then in the bottom, it's the same size as the one on the top. You've got a big clear PVC. So I have some of my Plunder Atlas bracelets that I just unfolded to kind of show you like how long this is. Like a mini iPad can fit in here too, just to give you a little comparison. This is also like a great little busy bag for the kids on the airplane. So many ways that you could use this, but when you're traveling, but I am using this as a jewelry case. So this is called the Fold and Hang Travel Organizer, okay? The next one is kind of simple, but I use this when I travel. This is our zipper pouch. So both of my kids have a zipper pouch. So anytime they are going anywhere overnight, this entire zipper pouch goes in their bag. It's already packed, and I love using the zipper pouch for their things. So this is in that boho rainbow print. Look how gorgeous that is. Now this is my daughter, so I just want to show you that I have tons of stuff in here. So I have her shampoo, I have a little thermometer for her, I have extra things of Tylenol and Advil. So all of just the things that you might need when you are traveling with your kids. I just keep this packed all the time. That way, if maybe we're on vacation and they're running a fever or something, I already have everything that I need with me from home. But this is also great for the summertime. If you're traveling to the beach, you put your sunscreens and things in here, goggles. I mean, literally you name it. But I just wanted to show you how we use this when we travel, back and forth. So this is called the zipper pouch. The next one is one of our packing cubes. So we have three different sizes of the packing cubes. We have the small, this is the small, then we have the medium and the large. So these are just a great way to be able to pack and organize your bags very, very nicely. Now this is the only new print that I have. I have the charcoal ones, but we don't have those available right now, but I just wanted to show you this one really quick. So this is the small. I actually showcased these in my deluxe travel tote video. I'll link that above, and I'll also link it at the end of this video. That way you can go and watch that and see how I used these. But this is the small one, and this is in that soft watercolor spot. It's pretty so cute. I love this. And then I did the flip-flop personalization here, and this is in the peach thread color and charcoal. You get to choose two thread colors on this one. Now, and you can see that I have two pairs of flip-flops in here. Now, I really just put the flip-flops in there vertical, so it looks really cute in pictures and things like that. But if I was truly packing with this, I would put the flip-flops the other way, you know, lay them horizontally, because I'll be able to fit more in here. But I just love this for travel. So whether you're using this for swimsuits, for undergarments, you name it. I love these little packing cubes. So this is the small one. The next one is the modern toiletry bag. Okay, so this is in the textured gray print. I just think this is great. For some reason, when I see this, I think, okay, going camping, going to the bathhouse. But really, like, this is so thin and it can hold so much. It can just slide down inside of another bag. So it's got a handle here on the top. Okay, you've got a zipper right here. So this front section from here down is a zipper pouch. And then on the back, you've got a full, so this will unzip all the way around. And then the front little zipper right here. So I'm just going to unzip it and show you what I have on here. So in here, I actually have hairbrushes. So I don't know about you, but I use 4 hairbrushes. How crazy is that? So I use one in the shower. I use one as a wet brush, like a tangle brush when I get out of the shower. Then I have one that I use just kind of like an everyday brush, and then my round curling brush. So all of my hairbrushes are in there. And then the back, I'm gonna have to put it flat because it opens all the way. Now the back section has the clear PVC lining in here. So if you had, you know, like makeup or anything and spilled out, you can just wipe it right out. Now I just put some random things in here just to kind of show you size comparison. So this is a 10-ounce bottle of dry shampoo, so it fit really nice in here. Still a little room at the top, so if you had something just a little bit taller. Okay, and then I put my husband's shaving cream and some thickening spray there. So this is the modern toiletry bag. So I can just see, I mean, this would be great for anyone, but it's a great little toiletry bag. So this is called the modern toiletry bag. The next one up, I'm going to show you, this is, whoops, so this is called the travel pouches. So the travel pouches, so it comes with 2. So you've got the outer one, which is the clear one, and then it comes with an inner one. Now you can use these separately, and when I traveled, I did use these separately, but you could use them together. So in here on this side, I just have like my, what is this, a 6.7 ounce bottle of shampoo, and this is my, what is that, the setting spray from Saint. So it's a 3.4 ounce bottle here. So you could use this together. So, but when I travel and use this as like my travel bag, I use these separately, but this can hold a lot. So, I mean, basically I can put this on one side. These are falling over. I can put this on one side, and you can see that I have plenty of room to put basically like 2 rows of things in here in this side. So this is the clear, this is called the travel pouches. And this is the smaller one that it comes with. And just on the inside, I was going to show you that I have like my mirror that I've had for like literally 20 years. It's dropped and never broken. And then I have my Saint makeup. So this is all I use for my makeup is right here. And then some of my Saint brushes in here. So Saint brushes, and then I also have like some unique makeup remover. So this, I mean, like there's hardly anything in here, and this can hold so much more. So this is called the travel pouches. This is in the soft camo print, and then here it is in the soft watercolor spots. Soft watercolor spots. Y'all, these names are hard. Okay, and this is the same brand. Okay, so if you've known me for any amount of time or you've watched any of my videos, you know that I do not travel without my hanging traveler case. So like some of these items are really hard for me to use because I love my hanging traveler case. I love how it keeps me organized. So, I mean, if I had to choose a favorite, this would be it. So it comes in, oh, and I always forget to say this, I just assume you know, but everything comes in multiple prints. So if you don't like what I have chosen, then you can choose your own print. I like that this also comes in charcoal. So if your man needs a travel bag, this is great for him. And even the modern toiletry bag too is great. Okay, but anyways, so this has a handle right here on the top. And then my personalization says kiss and make up. So I did this in the charcoal thread color and this in peach. Okay, now I love that this has a zipper closure all the way around the edge. Okay, when you open it up, You can see that I have tons of stuff in here because this is actually my travel bag. So I keep it packed for parties and things like that. So I can show you what all fits in here. And then when I'm ready to go somewhere, I'm just coming downstairs and grab it. But this has that buckle right here. So you can hang this around the hotel towel bar and let your items hang, grab out what you need, and then put it right back. This is a clear PVC. So you can see I just have all kinds of things in here. And then the bottom section, you can see that I have it just full of things as well. So what I do want to draw your attention to is you can see that the zipper goes up over here. So you could have a bottle as tall as this and it will still zip up. So a lot of full-size shampoo bottles will fit in here, okay? And then you can see the mesh pockets there in the back that I have some smaller items. And then the middle section, I'm just using for more storage there in the middle. And then you see right here, here is a zipper pouch. So I have my toothbrush right here, and I usually have toothpaste in here, but I think I have it in the top. But I can keep my toothbrush separate from everything in here. So I love the hanging traveler case. I'm partial to it, I'm sorry. Okay, and then the last one is, this is called the travel case, okay? This thing is like the big mama, okay? The travel case. But not only is this great for like what I have in here, but it could also be great for like a planning bag. You know, put your planner in here, your, you know, highlighters, erasable pens, and things like that. So I'm going to open it up and show you some details about it. Okay, so when you open it up, you have, you can see like all the little elastic things where you can put your brushes through there. My brushes weren't quite long enough because my brushes are double-ended with Saint, but this could also be great for like paints and things like that. And you can put your paint brushes through here. But this is a little flap cover to cover the tips of your brushes. And then you do have a zipper pouch right here to store more things behind there, okay? And then these little extra, pockets just button right here. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but they button right there. So you could unbutton these. So I'm just going to unbutton them, and this comes right out. I'm going to unbutton this one. Okay. And this one comes right out too. So you can see like I just have some mascaras and things like that. And then this one was a clear PVC. So I just have some of my, you know, nighttime facial routine things. But on the inside of here, you've got a big section. So I wanted to show you like how big this is because I was trying to fit these hairspray bottles into the modern toiletry bag and they wouldn't zip up. So this is very, very large. Now this hairspray is a 17-ounce bottle of hairspray. So it's quite large. And this is that root pump, and it's a 10-ounce bottle. So it's very tall. But I wanted to show you that most hair dryers can probably fit in here. Now I don't have the attachment to the end of this on here. I mean, it would fit in here. I just don't have it on here, but my hair dryer fits in here. So, this is my travel hair dryer, but this is basically kind of the same size as the one that I use every day. But this is very, very large. Now, like I said, this could be great for your planning, your note, you know, not full size notebooks, but smaller notebooks can fit in here. And you could put, you know, make this like your planner bag and things like that. So just keep in mind that for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item, right? So, I mean, why not get your travel accessories, get that for you to your $50 level, and then get one of the big ticket items, a weekend bag, as your half price item. That is the way to go. Okay, so one of my favorite weekend bags of all times is the Away for the Weekender. Love this. It says life is short, take the trip. So I did that in the peach and the charcoal thread color. So I would definitely get this as your half price item, or you might decide to get the deluxe travel tote as your half price item. So love that. So you got the bottom section that unzips down here. So it unzips all the way around. You put shoes down in here, or even like your travel pouches, which I have, just say like your travel pouch can fit there on that bottom section. So this is called the deluxe travel tote, and you could get this as your half price item as well. And I'm going to link this one. I made a video about that. I'm going to link that one at the end of this video so you can watch that entire video. That's where I use the packing cubes and the travel pouches and things like that. So super excited about our travel collection this season, especially these smaller little travel accessory items that can help make you organized when you're traveling. I need everything to have its place. I cannot stand for just to have stuff everywhere, and this here and this here. It's got to be in one place. I'm very organized like that. So thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. So I have lots of them coming your way as usual. And if you're shopping today or watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your go-to girl. Okay, so I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. So click to join, answer the 2 questions, and then I'll send you back a private message. So make sure you check your spam folder. Sometimes it'll go to a message request folder, and then hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group there. And if you're interested in the business opportunity with 31, just showing products that you love and maybe making a little extra money, maybe you have a goal that you're working toward, we can chat and I can answer your questions or see if 31 might be a fit for you. Or if you just want to get this stuff for free for half price, I can set up a shopping link for you and you can be a hostess and get what you want and share your shopping link with your friends and your family. So it's really that simple. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a great day. Bye.